Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
No preparation at all. Tell us about Meta 7.
I started taking it about 6 months ago. It has totally changed my life. Lost 35 pounds. Was sitting on the couch all day long. Had no energy whatsoever. Now I can't sit down. So it's really working for me. I hope it works for everybody else.
You can sit down. You just don't want to.
I don't want to.
All right, man. And you're here for another bottle, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, fantastic. How's your clarity and focus?
As far as as far as brain.
Yes,
oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can think better.
If I only had a brain.
I can think better, and all around it's helped me out.
Do you feel shaky, jittery, or anything like that?
No, not at all.
Fantastic. We're gonna hook you up, bud. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.